Hello, hello, it's Voudou Ropes and Ashley. We're here again. And today we're going to show you how to make a corset because you've been asking me too much about this photo shoot. And now I'm going to show you how to make that corset. So we're just gonna dive right in.
There you go.
Yeah. See, we've been making so many videos with each other that you can speak for me.
Yeah, that's true. I'm like finishing your sentences.
Okay, so we start from wrapping the rope around your model over the breasts first. Make sure that the rope is aligned well. And here we just put the rope through the loop here. Ready. So here I want to make sure that my loop is in the middle. It is kind of tight, not too tight, but this one should be tight because we are going to use this rope as something for more rope on it, so we need it to be quite tight. Here we go. And from here we are going to do a super simple thing. We're gonna wrap the rope around. So I'll do this one even higher. And I'll put this rope here. Okay. Here we go. So from here, I just do the same thing. I wrap it around. And I will need to add some more rope here.
Okay.
Feel very wrapped?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hold it?
Like a present.
Well, no bow tie yet.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Nice job.
Yeah. Alright, so now we add the ropes. Alright. So here we're going to continue wrapping. A little more. So here I will stop wrapping, but I know that I want to fix my rope a little bit more, so I'm wrapping it around the leg. And here I am making a nodome here, which some of you will say this is a mounter hitch, and I will be like, okay, it is. So, but I call these things nodomes because this is their Japanese name. Here we go.
Already making it clear.
Making it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now I will start making my corset. To make a corset, I need to start from the middle here. So I need to tie the knot, which is going to be pretty easy. So we're holding this rope here, making this a little lower. Then I would wrap this around. Here we go. Just like that. And this rope will just go up here. So here we are, very easy. And from here I will start doing the corset. That will just go here with a lot of nodomes. Again, they'll just go up. So we'll start from this one. Have patience to make them all the same and looking pretty. And I want to make them a little bit triangle because they will complement the shape of the body.
That's always good.
If you have a girl with smaller breasts, then you might want to have one more line here. But if you have somebody like Ashley or bigger than Ashley, then you probably don't want it because the rope will move all the time.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's like, yeah, if you move, the rope will move too, because it won't be able to stay directly in the middle. It's gonna be really hard.
Yeah, right on that right there.
Yeah. So that is why I'm not putting any rope in there. And I just continue it here. I might put this a little bit lower, but I will not try to put it directly in the middle of your breasts. And the last one here. And here I want to really pull that up, so this rope goes a little bit higher and the whole thing gets tighter.
Yeah, you can feel the whole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You felt it. Nice. So I will just leave this one here. I won't do anything else with it. It just stays there for now, but I will need it later. So now I'll add one more rope, which is already the third rope. All my ropes are jute ropes. They are 8 meters long and 5 millimeters diameter. Hard word.
Diameter.
Diameter, right. So this rope, I want to fix it here with this little loop. And I pull that through the loop. So it's just here. And now I want to direct that rope to the leg because we have the leg tied up here and we want this leg also tied up. Let's wrap that up here.
So much rope.
So much rope. Yeah, when he's tired, it's so long.
Yeah.
And some
Keeps
people
going,
use
go.
15 meters.
Really? That's
This
like
is
almost
8.
double.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
15 is too much for sure. So here, remember I did a nodome on this one, so I'm going to do another nodome on this one too. Get to this side.
You got it.
Also, this one is like super new rope, so it's a little bit harsher. It feels probably a little harsher than the different one. So here I will go around again, be the second line here, to this line, and then I'll go to this line. With, guess what? With not.
There you go.
So this part is a little bit asymmetrical, but why not? I'll just move this a little bit more to the middle here. And this one will start from an nodome right here. Alright, so here, to make sure that my stuff is triangle, I would wrap this rope around this one. So, here we go. You can wrap that twice, once, twice, whatever you want to do there. It always going to look pretty fine. And here, I'll do exactly the same thing that I did before, but in the different direction. So if these nodomes were looking that way, these ones are going to look this way. So yeah, you can see that if these ones were going this way from the main rope, that these ones are going this way. And then you put it on this side and get it here. Yeah, I didn't get that from the first time. It's easier to say than to do.
Yeah, that's true. Took a lot of things.
Right. A little bit more. So a couple more here. And we'll be done very soon. Push it a little bit more and it will go down there. So to make the feeling of this bone a little bit better, you need to make sure that your rope is not directly like on it, because that will feel weird, but make it a tiny bit more like diagonal to the bone and that'll be fine. Alright, so now we're going to make a pretty back. To make a pretty back, we're going to first of all pull our ropes higher and then pull back on them. And here we will do I will say double nodome. I know these knots probably have names, but I don't know them. So here what I do, I wrap these two ropes around this horizontal one. And I put them together here. I put the rope like this, just like cross it, and I put it all down again. There we go. So I would say that this is a double nodome. Then we go down here, and I will do two different nodomes here. One, and the second one. Now I will put them together again. I will put these ropes together too. And just do the double nodome again. So I will burn this rope because there's just a tiny bit of it left. You're feeling okay there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I think I like zoned out.
That's fine. That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, so I hide these knots in there, and this stuff goes down here too. Now I have quite a bit of rope left, and what I want to do, I want to just put these together here, and I'll do a couple of decorations around that.
Make it look pretty.
Yeah, just make it look pretty. And from here, what I want to do with this is I just want to make a bow tie with that. So I will bring it all the way here. So I just cross them, bring them up, and now as I cross them, I just get one of them out. There we go. And now I can make a bow tie. And wait. So we got pretty front, pretty back with a bow tie. Turn around.
Oh, so now I am like a present.
Now you are a present.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are a present wearing a corset.
Yeah. That's true.
Oh, and we're gonna finish it all up with my choker.
Oh.
That, let's make a little advertising. You can get on my website right here. You can place an order, and I can make it for you.
No, this is cool. I haven't seen this before. There we go.
So yeah, here we go. We have the pretty corset here that you can move around these things if you want it wider or you want a little bit more like a straight line. I don't know why you would want it, but maybe. Who knows?
To each his own.
Yeah, maybe you want to add more stuff to it, and everything is welcome as long as it's your design, your idea. You can take that as a base and add to it, and that'll be pretty awesome. Don't forget to send me a picture.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Push the bell button too. And every Saturday we'll make you happy with a new video.
There you go.
Alright, and don't forget to check our social media. It's right there, mine and Ashley's. Yeah, she's having some troubles with Instagram, so a little bit of support wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, Instagram.
Right? Hard stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay guys. Have fun. Be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.